Hey, Sam. Cheese. Yes, I know. Is it your birthday? Yes.
Go around with Daddy.
Over here, buddy.
Go around Daddy.
Come here. Come here, Sam. Hey, buddy. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. Can you say it's my birthday? Over here, buddy.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sam. Happy birthday to you.
Happy
Yay!
birthday, Big Boy. What's in the bag? Can you open it?
Open it. Pull out your paper.
Maya's excited.
She is. Okay, what's in there?
No.
Wait.
Let him see it, Maya. You broke.
Look. Put it on the back. What is that?
Sam, what do you have to wear?
What is that?
Gigi.
Choo-choo. Is that a balloon?
Can we get him more presents now?
Something tomorrow. Party? You want to give your brother a birthday hug?
Birthday hug.
Can he give you love?
Happy birthday.
Oh.